Now, let's review some points and practice a bit. I want you to read the following sentence and underline the nouns that refer to a unique thing. Brenda went to Germany last year. He liked Berlin and Munich the most. Brenda, Germany, Berlin, Munich. Name of a person, country, city. Note that we should also capitalize proper nouns that refer to festivals, people's title, the name of books, films, plays, and paintings. Let's start with festivals. Read the following sentence and underline the proper noun that refers to festivals. When are we celebrating Easter this year? Easter. People's title? You need to contact Dr. Drake to receive further information. Doctor. The names of books, films, plays, or paintings. I'm dying to see Heartbreak House. Heartbreak House. Also, sometimes we use a person's name to refer to something they have created. Read the following sentence and find a word that refers to that something a person has created. I heard that a Van Gogh was sold for $20 million. Van Gogh. Now, when you use a word about a family member, for example, mom, dad, uncle, capitalize it only if the word is being used exactly as you would use a name. In other words, if you were addressing the person directly. Read the following sentences and decide in which sentence the word mom should be capitalized. Please ask mom if she knows that I'll be late. Does your mom know that I'll come home later today? Great. Now, whenever you see a capitalized word, make sure you question whether or not it is a proper noun. Make sure that the capitalized word is in fact a noun, as there are also proper adjectives. Now let's practice. At Easter, kids get candies from Easter bunnies. Which Easter is a proper adjective and which is a proper noun? Great.